Hey guys, got a 2010 Honda Pilot here, and we're gonna be replacing a cabin air filter, cabin filter, air filter, cabin purifier. So this filter you should be changing every 10,000 miles, right? And this filter, what it does is it gives you a fresh air for the AC and the heat through these vents. So this is the air that comes into the cabin. It goes through the filter and comes into the cabin, so you can have fresh air. All right, guys. But anyways, let's get it going. The filter is right inside this glove box. So what you're gonna do is, let me put my camera right here. You're gonna open this glove box. Right? You got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Ignore it. You're gonna push on the sides, right? So you're gonna push right here and you're gonna push right here, right? Just squeeze it. And you should be able to bring this cabin, the glove cabin down. What I like to do is you take this little guy here, put this down below, and it's gonna work like a host for this little guy, right? Right in there, you have a tray, all right? Right inside, let me get my light together. All right. So right inside, you have this little tray right here with the arrow on it. You push the tab here, you push the tab there, right guys? And the cabin filter whole tray will come down just like that. And let me go more further, guys. I'm gonna have to remove the little guy in the bottom, and oh, everything just fell off, so let's just let it fall. All right, there's our cabin filter, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a new cabin filter and I'm gonna put that in here, and we'll continue in a little bit. That's the cabin filter, the old one, and here's the new one. There's a part number on it, 3047. That's the filter size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little guy out from this tray. One hand is gonna be difficult. You push it up and out. All right, guys. Put this somewhere down. All this dirt and debris, just tap it out of there. All right. So new filter has to go into the slides here. Other than that, you're gonna have air escaping into the system. But let me get this new filter out of this bag. There's my new filter. Rip the bag open. Sorry about all the movement. There's my new cabin filter. There's an arrow here, so follow the arrows, guys. And this is the open side, so we're gonna get this little edges sit into those little slots on the sides. All right. Like I said, there should be no area that air should escape, and it should go right in there. You see that? It's all closed and locked in. Let's walk back into the car with the cabin filter, just like that in my hand, and take it, push it, and we're done, guys. You take your glove box, you're gonna squeeze the edges. Next, you take your glove box, squeeze the edges, both edges, all right? And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom, and we're done. Take all the stuff, put it back in there, and thank you for watching, guys. If you need any help, if you have any questions, please send me a message. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.